We are still in exercise 3.4, direct, inverse, and partitive proportionality. We are answering some of the problems that are listed at the end of chapter 3, ratio and proportion. At the height of a traffic congestion, a school bus is slowed down to an average speed of 5 kilometers an hour, and it takes the bus 1.9 hours to deliver the students to school. When the traffic is not congested, it takes the bus, on average, only 45 minutes to reach its destination. What is the school bus's average speed when the traffic is not congested? Is this direct or inverse proportionality? What is the constant of proportionality? And we shall answer the main question. What is the school bus's average speed when the traffic is not congested? So let's say, for example, this is the national highway that leads to the school. And at one time during the day, it is congested. The traffic is congested. Maybe because of some road constructions along the way, okay? And this is your school bus. When the traffic is not congested, the average speed of the bus is 5 kilometers per hour. And it takes the bus 1.9 hours to reach the school. On the other hand, when the traffic is not congested, it takes the bus only 45 minutes to reach the school. 45 minutes is 3/4 of an hour, and that is the same as 0.75 of an hour. What is the average speed? So what is this? Is this direct or inverse proportionality? So when the traffic is congested, the average speed of the bus is 5 kilometers per hour and the travel time is 1.9. So when the traffic is no longer congested, the bus can travel faster, which is why we have now a shorter travel time. And so what is the average speed of the bus when the traffic is not congested? So this one is one of inverse proportionality, okay? A faster average speed results in a shorter travel time. What is K? The constant of proportionality. What is the school bus's average speed when the traffic is not congested? Let y be the travel time and x the average speed. We agreed that this is one of inverse proportionality. How do you write it in math language? Y is inversely proportional to x, or travel time is inversely proportional to average speed. And that is equivalent to saying that y is equal to k over x, where k is your constant of proportionality. We shall obtain k from this pair of values, okay? When the travel time is 1.9 hours, the average speed is 5 kilometers per hour. Solve for k. K is equal to 1.9 times 5, which is equal to 9.5. So the equation now that connects average speed to travel time is this. Y is equal to 9.5 over x. So when y is equal to 45 minutes, when the travel time is equal to 45 minutes, which is the same as 0.75 of an hour, then 0.75 is equal to 9.5 divided by x, and this means that x is equal to 9.5 divided by 0.75, which is equal to 12.67 kilometers per hour. Does this agree with our expectations? When the travel time is 1.9 hours, average speed is 5 kilometers. When the travel time has been reduced to 45 minutes, which is equivalent to 0.75 of an hour, that means the speed of the bus is faster. So it's no longer 5 kilometers per hour, it is now 12.67 kilometers per hour. This one is a problem on bank loans. A bank requires a monthly payment of 450.75 pesos for a loan of 54,000 pesos. At the same rate, what is the monthly payment for a loan of 90,000 pesos? So these are our questions. Is this direct or inverse proportionality? What is the constant of proportionality? And what is the monthly payment for a loan of 90,000 pesos, assuming that we shall have the same rate? Is this direct or inverse proportionality? This one is direct proportionality because given the same rate and given the same terms for the payment of the loan, if the loan is bigger, then naturally the monthly payments are going to be bigger. This is direct proportionality. And this is how we write it in math symbols. If y is the monthly payment and x the amount of loan, then y is directly proportional to x, or the monthly payment is directly proportional to the amount of loan. That is how you say it. And that is equivalent to this. Y is equal to k times x, where k is our constant of proportionality. Okay? What is the constant of proportionality? Since y is equal to k times x, k is equal to y over x. And so we shall use this pair of quantities to solve for k. So k is equal to, y is our monthly payment. Okay? K is equal to 450.75 pesos divided by 54,000 pesos. And that is equal to this. Okay? What's going to be the monthly payment for a loan of 90,000 pesos? So we will use our equation. Okay, y is equal to k times x. But this time we already know k. K is equal to 0.0083. So when the loan is 90,000 pesos, monthly payment is equal to 0.0083 times 90,000 pesos, which is equal to 747 pesos.